Hi friends, this is 5 minutes YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy F62 smartphone. In this video, you will learn how you can use calculator in your phone Samsung Galaxy F62. First of all, go to the home screen and click on calculator icon. So you can use this calculator. You can do simple addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, etc. I here just multiply 78 with 54 and result is 4212. For clear it's just use C. If you want to use percentage, just click on percentage option and it will appear. If you want to use scientific calculator, you have to click here and scientific calculator. Some of the scientific functions will open and you can use advanced calculator here. For example, if you want to find root of something, then you can do it. Just click on root symbol here and square root of this much will be this. Okay, so in this way you can easily use scientific data also. For example, again I show another one. First I clear and I would like to use cos function, cos 56, and result is available here. So you can use many scientific functions here. Tan 8 56 square, sorry, 5 square 6. So this is scientific calculator. In this way you can use simple calculator as well as scientific calculator. If you want to shift to simple calculation, then again you have to click here and simple calculator will appear. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.